am Madhya Peel from class 11th Commerce, and today I will be interacting with respected Dubey sir and asking him about the new education policy and COVID-19 lockdown. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Last 10 months have been really crucial due to COVID-19. So what do you think the teachers at SPS would have adopted this change?
Why is teachers SPS? The whole world has adopted it. And this pandemic, corona times, has taught us a number of things. The new etiquette has come. You have to keep a distance of 2 meters, and then you have to mask and then protect. I mean, all that kind of thing was never there. It's only because of this it has come. And it's really good. Many times you have to sanitize your hands. Many times you have to wash your hands. And that's what is very, very important, which was not so earlier. That's one thing. As far teachers of SPSs, they are concerned, I'm really very happy and I'm proud that my teachers have, they were new to this thing. I mean, there was, and not only the teachers, even the students also, they were also new. But by and by, they have become now a kind of expert. And I must say, we are best in Bhopal. The kind of online teaching which has taken place in Bhopal, I think that is one of the best. This is what I have come to know from parents also, students also, and teachers of some other schools also. They say SPS has done the best. That's true. Yeah.
So, sir, even this time the education policy of India has adopted a new change. So, what do you think it would change the scenario? How would it change the education scenario?
It was long due, I must say, and I am very happy that the government has taken off this, and then they have come out with the new education policy 2020. And if it is properly implemented, honestly implemented, and sincerely implemented, I think is going to bring a very big change in the educational scenario of our country. One thing very interesting about NEP 2020 is, because earlier when I was a student, it was a teacher-centric education. Then it became later on student-centric or learner-centric education. But now this NEP 2020 says it should be learning-centric. And the meaning of learning-centric is that every child should learn. So the responsibility of teacher has become too much. The earlier 2 or 3 children, if they are not learning, it's okay. They were not bothering much about it, but now they took it very seriously that every child should learn. And for every child to learn, they will have to adopt some new methods, and many times you have to customize it as per the need of the child, because different children learn different way. So teacher has to know that this child learns this way, so she has to customize, the teaching learning from his point of view.
What changes would you suggest Sagar Public School to adopt this NEP 2020?
If you look to our system of education, you will find it's very much in tune with the NEP 2020. Quite similar. Because what they have said, which I think the government schools and other schools, they will be facing like a problem. That is, the school will start from nursery. Nursery, KG1, KG2, which is at this point of time, it is not there anywhere. So 3 years of age, the child will be admitted. So 3 to 5, they don't have any infrastructure. They don't have teachers, because you need, you need specialized teachers to teach, or to handle or to manage that age group of children. So the problem will be to, I think, other schools have already a system that is nursery, but of course we have to, one area where we have to be, we must try, something new, some new technique, and that is that every child learns. Now we will have to emphasize more on learning. Learning is a very important thing because child comes for learning. And if he has not learned anything, what is the use of coming to school? It's sheer waste of time. So now, SPS, every teacher should see that all children under his or her charge, they learn. That's very important. That's very important.
Sir, we would also like to know how did you utilize the time during lockdown? How did you utilize the opportunity of staying at home?
Actually, it was such a difficult time, I must say. A difficult time because you, that kind of, I am basically an extrovert person. I love socializing. I love talking to the people, discussing with the people. But because of this corona, it was reduced to a great extent. So it was quite suffocating for me. But what I did, two things I worked on. One, I did work on my wellness, my health. And earlier also I was, focusing on that. But this time, right from March onwards, March 2020 onwards, I was, around one and a half hour every day in the morning and around 45 minutes in the evening, I was giving to my health. And because of that, I found so much improvement. I lost around 4.5 kg of weight also during this time. And I feel much lighter, I feel much better, much happier. So that is one thing which, this corona times or pandemic times has helped me do. Another thing is I learned a lot. I am a regular voracious reader. I used to read earlier also, but during this I had a lot of time to read. So I read so many books, philosophical books and then psychological books and all these things, and then otherwise also. So I must say I have enriched myself in the knowledge point of view. So that is one, I must say, a kind of gift to me by pandemic time.
Okay. Sir, and last, what would be your message to the young Sagarics?
I think what I personally feel, they are doing very well, but they should become responsible. Responsibility they should become responsible to themselves, that is number one. They should take responsibility of themselves. That is, they are not doing anything which is against the norms of the society. So that responsibility they have to take. They should become responsible towards their parents also. They must help their parents. And ultimately, they should become responsible to this nation, which is ultimate, and that is very, very important. Every child who has passed out from SPS should become responsible for the nation, because nation is very important to all of us. Nation, no one can, yes.
Thank you for the lovely